guys, so today I wanted to make a video, obviously, on this look right here. So this probably took me about 10-15 minutes to do. I wanted to do something that would be really easy, something for those of you who maybe wake up early for work and just need something quick. Me personally, I wish I had enough time to do my makeup in the morning. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. and so I brush my teeth and then I'm on my way. But hopefully this is something good for you. I mean, you guys could totally just throw out the red lipstick if you wanted to. You could definitely do like a nude. I mean, you don't even have to wear any lipstick at all. You know, my favorite chapstick, you could just put Vaseline on. Whatever floats your boat. But I really like the red. I feel like it changes the look completely. I feel like it makes you look like you actually got ready, even though it's not really that much at all. But I really just wanted to make something that was easy, something that was quick. And so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Okay, first things first, my BADESCU Buttermilk Moisturizer, which I have used, like I always say in every single video. This is still my favorite moisturizer, so I continue on using it. And then for the primer, I use the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. This is in medium. So basically this is gonna act as a primer, and just so I can get that nice glow under my skin. For foundation, I'm still using the ESTEE LAUDER Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This foundation has definitely grown on me. I've learned to love it a lot more. So instead of using a brush or a beauty blender to actually apply it onto my skin, I decided just to use my fingers. I saw another makeup artist do it and I was like, well, I mean, I'll give it a try. It doesn't blend the way that I want it to, and it could just be because of that specific foundation. But after I placed it on my skin, I did go back with my beauty blender and I blended it all out. After that, we're going to move on to concealer. And today I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer. This is a really great one, and they sell it at, I think they sell it at Ulta now. I used to see it at the store Q all the time. This is $2 or $3, I think, and it really is a great concealer. So I just placed it under my eyes and then blended it out with the beauty blender. I did put it on my hand first and then applied it with my finger. So then just whatever was left on my hand, I put it on the beauty blender and put it on my chin, upper lip, and forehead. For a little contour, I'm using my Kat Von D contour palette in the darkest shade. So I'm using an angled flat brush, put it in the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and then also my forehead. It gives a little bit of extra color, so as you can tell, it does make a big difference, and I really like how it looks. For my eyebrows, instead of using the pomade, I'm actually going to be using a pencil. This one is by L'Oreal. So first thing, I took the spoolie that's on the end and I just brushed my eyebrow hairs up. And then on the other side, which is a micro pencil, so I really like that because it gives you more of a natural look. You have a lot of control as to how dark you want it to be or how light. So just really lightly, I went ahead and just followed the shape of my eyebrow. And then once I get to that inner corner, just really light strokes to make it look like I have hairs there. I'm not getting super defined with my eyebrows just because I want them to be natural and I wanted this to be really quick. So like I said, just go ahead, follow the natural shape of your brows, and then if you need to clean it up, we'll do that in just a minute. Once I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and just take a really small flat angled brush and clean around them just a little bit to make it cleaner. I'm not going to be using concealer like I normally would. And then I just took a spoolie and brushed my eyebrow hairs up. Now for this look, I'm only going to be putting on one color eyeshadow. It's in the Tarte in Bloom Clay palette. It's the color Smarty Pants. So this is a really light brown. I feel like some light pinks and then also any type of nude or brown color looks really good with red lipstick. Since, at least for me, since I'm wearing red lipstick, obviously you can put on any color that you'd like. With the red lips, it's already going to draw a lot of attention and really pop, so I didn't want my eyes to be crazy. So all I'm doing is taking that color, putting it all over my lid, and then blending it into my crease. I'm not going to put on any fake eyelashes for this look, especially if this is supposed to be a really quick in the morning routine. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara and put a little bit on. So for lipstick, which is what brings this whole lip together, the bright red lip, I think the brand is pronounced TRESTIQUE. It's their mini Glaze lip crayon. So I'm going to go ahead, just place it on like I normally would. This lipstick is so great. So it is matte. It's really, really easy to put on. Like it's really smooth. This actually stays on really well also when I eat, when I drink. It doesn't really come off, and then it also doesn't make my lips really dry. Once we are done putting our lipstick on, we can move on to our highlighter, which is the very last step. So I'm going to take the Tarte Glow Highlight and Contour Palette in the color Stunner. For some reason, my camera decided that it wanted to overheat, but I went ahead and I placed the highlighter on my cheekbones and then just a little bit on my forehead. Of course, I love the nose highlight, so I just took it with my finger and then blended it out to make sure that it didn't look like a straight line.
Okay, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully you can use it in your morning routine. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.